out here. Now we are already outside.
Ay, sino kasama mo? Ay, jowa ako, tapos magpipinsan. Ayun. Okay, muna tayo. Gutom na.
Teka lang si Teo. Hi kayo guys. Free flight. Free flight. Hi guys! Asan tayo? Wala. Chuchay, nasaan ka? Hanap tayo picture. Kasi picture. Nasa Japan. So guys, nahanap na namin si Chuchay. Si Chuchay. Chuchay! Chuchay, ito na. Naka-leather ka na agad, oh. Ito guys, oh. Oh? Tabi. Parang si Sanchay. Sanchay! So excited, guys. First time flying.
First time.
Kami dalawa yung magkatabi. Sila Che nandun sa kabila. Tapos kami dalawa yung magkatabi. Tapos may katupa.
Please call the attention of your cabin crew. And for those who wants to freshen up or use the lavatories, please call the attention of your cabin crew. And for those who wants to freshen up, must complete the register.immigration.gov.tw to facilitate a smooth arrival process.
Everyone, guys, finally. We just landed here. Jay na antok. Saan nakatulog sa... Nag-fill out kami na re-arrive. Yes. Ang ganda. Parang ang ganda ng air dito. Parang hindi tayo. Hey guys, we are here at Taiwan! Yes! Thank you so much for my videographer. Para akong nasa Divisoria. Parang nasa Binondo. Sa Binondo, guys. So, para siya yung mga kainan sa Malate. Di ba ang daming ganito sa Malate kainan? Labig pa. Parang Tagaytay. Guys. Hello, gusto ko yan. So guys, we are checked in at Funny Shimen Hotel. So self-check-in yata to. Hindi ko lang sure. Pero ang lamig. Ganun sila. Hindi ko pa alam. Hey guys, good morning. So today is our full day. And nakapagod pala to guys. Over naman sa pagod. Or mamaliligo na kami, mag-get ready na kami. And we will hit the streets. Hit the streets, OA. Yun lang. I'll see you guys later. Naulo ko.
Natawag si Kuya Miguel. Uy, asan na sila?
Pa.
Hey, dears darlings of all nations. Right now, we are already outside. So, punta kami ng 7-Eleven kasi maghanap kami yung card para sa bus and everything na pambayad. So, naghanap kami ng 7-Eleven ngayon. Pero ang dami 7-Eleven kagabi. Kaninang madaling araw. Nung naghanap kami ng pagkain. But, we are already walking. Hindi na ako nakapag-get ready with me kasi nga, mamadali. Ayoko naman ng ma-rush. But, this is here in Taiwan, guys. Itong part na to, parang One Ayala. Ewan ko. Parang yung sa Ayala, sa Makati. Yun yung itsura nito. But, you'll just cross the street. Hi. Picture.
I've learned that there's an art to changing. That I'm the potter and the clay. I'm the canvas and the painter. The marble that I sculpt away. Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush. Is a sunburned wing of a heartbreak crush. Is a rush. Feel the rush.
We are going to Muji, guys. Kasi yung stamp, hindi ko pa-stamp. Dala ko yung mga notebooks ko and yung journal ko. So, lalagyan ko ng stamp. And sana may makita din kami maganda sa Muji. So, we are here at, I don't know what station this is, pero ang ganda dito, guys. Ayun o. So, may Dior, may Bottega. Ang ganda dito. Ayan, napipicture sila. Diba? Grabe naman. May miss ko na tuloy ang baby loves ko. Ito din, nagpipicture. Diba? Bongga. Ako din, picture na lang sarili-sarili lang to, guys. Kaya na yan. Over.
To eat at Ichiran. So, meron din palang Ichiran sa Taipei. Is 2:29 p.m. Ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch, guys. Wala yata kami.
Thank you.
Vlog din ako, guys. Work of art. Sarap. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap to, guys. Wait lang.
It's true, guys. Pag natikman nyo na yung Ichiran, parang napaka-basic mid lang ng lasa ng mga ramen sa Pilipinas. OA. Ang sarap, grabe. Sarap. And then yung noodles ko is firm. Pinili ko firm. Or siguro mas magugustuhan ko if softer yung noodles kasi pinili ko firm. It's my fault. Anyways, itadakimasu. I got this notebook for 28 NTD here at Muji. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung conversion. Pero mura lang. So, ito lang kailangan ko para sa stamps. Yung notebook naman akong dala, pero I'm going to pay, guys.
ikaw muna. Bakit ako?
Hey guys, so thank you so much, Madam Carla, for your iPhone 17. This is going to be exported to my phone for the vlog. Thank you so much. Hi ka naman. Hi. Ang ganda ko.
Dami tao na kayo.
Sige, mamaya pa. Matagal pa siya.
Hey guys, so kain kami sa BHC Chicken. Grabe, sobrang lamig.
Ang damig.
Over.
Thank you. Ang daw? Yeah. Ano flavor?
Alin?
6-5 na tayo dyan.
Ilang piso?
Yung may spicy.
4-4.
Thank you.
Every stroke of a brush, every finger's touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburnt wing of a heartbreak crush, is a rush, feel the rush. You're a painting Frida Kahlo, lead the muses like a Apollo, all the colors layered.
Stamp.
Ako, dito ka na mag-video. Ba't pa ganyan?
Para cute.
E2, row 1452, EO, star 1452.
Ano sabi? Swertihin ka daw. Sabi.
Wow.